वोसा स्पेशल में आपको बताएंगे न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट की मुस्लिम ऑफिसर्स सोसाइटी की पहली जनरल मेंबरशिप मीटिंग का अहवाल, जिसमें डिप्टी कमिश्नर एडवर्ड केविन, न्यूयॉर्क मेयर ऑफिस कम्युनिटी अफेयर यूनिट के कमिश्नर, न्यूयॉर्क के मेयर एरिक एडम्स के सीनियर एडवाइज़र एहसन चुगताई, सदर मुस्लिम ऑफिसर्स सोसाइटी, डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर अदील राना, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कैप्टन वहीद अख्तर समेत पाकिस्तानी, बांग्लादेशी और भारतीय मुस्लिम ऑफिसर्स के अलावा कम्युनिटी की कसीर तादाद ने शिरकत की। तो आज का वोसा स्पेशल न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट की मुस्लिम ऑफिसर्स सोसाइटी के नाम। मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी के पहले जनरल मेंबरशिप इजलास का आगाज तिलावत कलाम पाक से हुआ।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन अर्रहमानिर्रहीम मालिकि यौमिद्दीन इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन इहदिनस सिरातल मुस्तकीम सिरातल लज़ीना अनअमता अलैहिम गैरिल मग़दूबि अलैहिम वलद्दाल्लीन।
तिलावत के बाद न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस के मुस्लिम चैपलिन इमाम ताहिर ने गुफ्तगू करते हुए इस्लामी तालीमात पर रोशनी डाली।
Tonight we are honored that this meeting of NYPD Muslim Officer Society been held in the beginning of month of Shaban. This is Prophet Muhammad's month, as he used to pray. May God bless our month of Rajab. When last week we celebrated Prophet Muhammad's ascension to the heaven when he met the souls of all prophets. A personal miracle for Prophet ﷺ, as well a message for all Muslims that all those who believe in God, one Almighty, your brothers and sisters. Month of Shaban is a month of preparation for all Muslims. The next door we have month of Ramadan, which is month of fasting, reflection, closeness with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by being closer to one another.
मुस्लिम चैपलिन इमाम ताहिर ने मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी और इसकी मकसदियत के बारे में बात की।
We pray to Almighty subhanahu wa ta'ala for our NYPD heroes, particularly for two of our heroes. They were taken from our mix, Detective Jason Rivera and Detective Wilbert Mora. May God bless their souls. May God give comfort to the heart of Blood and Blue family. I want you to know that in my prayers, always pray for all NYPD, but I pray for Muslim of society that you are not only serving city, but you have opened the door and windows for Muslim society to be integrated in New York City, whether in administration, whether in religious interfaith activities, social networking and so many.
अमरीका का कौमी तराना पढ़ा गया। आज की तकरीब एक अहद है। मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी अमरीका में मुसलमानों का मस्बत चेहरा है।
And to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you.
इसके बाद सदर मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर अदील राना को स्टेज पर मदऊ किया गया, जिन्होंने मौजूद मेहमानों का तारुफ करवाया।
Our newly appointed first deputy commissioner for taking the time out of busy schedule just to be here. It means a lot. Our newly appointed Commissioner to the Community Affairs in the Mayor's Office at Friedman, please, thank you for being here with us. Since I started saying names, I didn't say the name of the first Deputy Commissioner. Come on. Seriously, it's an honor, for being here. Then we have newly appointed Senior Advisor to the Mayor's Office, Hassan Chuktai. Thank you for being here. We can't forget our legend, our mentor, who guided many people throughout their career. It means a lot. I think a lot of people can relate to speaking to him and dealing with him and his guidance. Thank you. Retired now, former PBA Vice President Abdul Jabbar. Thank you very much. And thank you for making us proud and New York City Police Department proud. Our own Inspector Yakatali.
मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी में मेंबर्स की तादाद 2000 से तजावुज़ कर चुकी है। यूं तो तकरीब में कई कौमियतों के लोग थे, लेकिन यहाँ पाकिस्तानी, भारतीय और बांग्लादेशियों समेत सब ममालिक के लोग एक ही छत तले मौजूद थे। अदील राना ने शरीक मेहमानों को खुशामदीद भी कहा।
I can keep on going on and on, but like I said, again, especially to young people, take this opportunity to talk to other members, especially the people that have time on and the people that retired. Get to know the struggles that they went through. I can guarantee you, AJ will tell you, when he got on, he probably remember every single person that was Muslim by their first name. I guarantee he can't remember that now. That's a big thing. But besides that, what do you want to go that for? But seriously, that means, imagine what he was, when he got sworn in and when he was serving in this department, what he was going through, what he was imagining, what he was feeling, or experiences that he was having. Imagine the experience today.
मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी के सदर डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर अदील राना ने MOS के बोर्ड मेंबर्स को मदऊ किया।
Before I do that, I want to make sure that the board members, if they can please come in the front so everyone can see who you are and how you guys are dedicated to making this society and this department and the community. Guys, seriously, these are the individuals that make this society.
अदील राना ने तमाम मेंबर्स की कारकर्दगी को न सिर्फ सराहा, बल्कि हॉल में शरीक अफराद ने तालियों की गूंज में खिराज तहसीन पेश किया।
सनसनी के शोर में मुसद्दिका खबरों की पहचान। वोसा टीवी अब एक कदम और आगे। हालात हाजरा, खबरें और तबसरे अब सिर्फ एक क्लिक की दूरी पर। अपने स्मार्टफोन और दूसरे गैजेट्स एंड्रॉइड या iOS के लिए डाउनलोड कीजिए वोसा टीवी की एप्लीकेशन या Amazon स्टिक और रोको टीवी पर देखिए 24/7 वोसा टीवी की नशरियात। हर खबर से बाखबर रहने के लिए देखते रहें वोसा टीवी।
अदील राना ने अब दावत खिताब दिया डिप्टी कमिश्नर एडवर्ड कैबिन को। उन्होंने गुफ्तगू के आगाज में अदील राना का शुक्रिया अदा किया।
Thanks for for putting me on the spot. I appreciate that, my friend. So here we are, March 2nd, right? March 2nd, 3rd. I'm losing the days already. There's so much on the calendar. March 3rd. And I'm hoping at least the cops in the room know who I am. You know? I'm the unknown guy. Everywhere we go, everybody wants to know who the police commissioner is. We go to events, everybody wants to take pictures with her. No one who knows who I am. That's okay. You know? I appreciate the invitation to be here. 31 years on this job. And probably... And without a doubt, if I had a regret, it's not getting involved with more of the organizations, like your organization. I had the honor of being asked to come here tonight by our good friend, Inspector Rana. I want to thank you. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me.
एडवर्ड केविन का कहना था कि कम्युनिटी की मदद करने वाले अफराद को सराहना दूसरे लोगों को इस अमल की तरगीब देना है.
Always still in awe of what transpires and the people I meet and how I get to stand here with heroes like Detective Salon. Where is he? I said, before I started while I was here, as I said, 31 years, I'm older than old, and it's my honor to shake your hand as a hero and to salute you as a hero.
न्यूयॉर्क सबका है और हम सब न्यूयॉर्क के हैं. ये अल्फाज इजलास में शरीक कमिश्नर कम्युनिटी अफेयर्स के थे.
And I just want to commend his extraordinary leadership to be in a precinct for 6 months and to go through that amazing leadership, and you could be proud to have him as the inspector, highest ranking person. With this mayor, I can tell you, he gets it. He was the cop, he was a captain, and he has the backup of law enforcement. So City Hall is proud and stands up for the work you do each and every day in protecting the community. And we love you and we respect you, and I will be in any place I need to be to say that and support the NYPD. The mayor's commitment, not only to the police department, is sincere, but his commitment to the Muslim community is sincere. And that's why he's appointed Hassan Shukdai, I think the first time ever, as senior advisor directly to the mayor. And my commitment too, in my office, I'm going to hire, in the near future, a Muslim liaison as well, because I believe that the Muslim community should be represented. There should be a thorough review of all agencies to make sure there is respect for the Muslim community. When I first started in Mayor Bloomberg, I created the first iftar event at Gracie Mansion, and we will make sure that each agency learns to respect the culture, the staffing of the agencies with the Muslim community. So you have that as a commitment of the mayor and myself, and I look forward to it.
इजलास में मुकर्रीरीन ने खिताब में हॉल में मौजूद अफराद से उनके ताउन पर इजहार तशक्कुर भी किया.
You guys are all heroes. For us, me, my family, that you guys protect my little 2 daughters that go to school. You protect them. That officer that stands in front of the school, I shake his hand just because I know his family's at home. He's out there protecting us. So thank you. Thank you for your dedication. It might not be rewarding. It might not be, certain times it might be very hard.
कैप्टन वहीद अख्तर मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हैं. उन्होंने कहा कि मेरा ताल्लुक पुलिस खानदान से है और फोर्स में आने का मकसद लोगों के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की जिम्मेदारी थी.
Towards this group over here, you know what? Why this is a big gathering here? Because this is a feel sense of connection. We belong to each other. If this is not acceptance, this is not a connection here, we will not be sitting together. This is your society. You know what? Let's flourish together, rise up together, work hard, and show to other societies and the communities what a true NYPD Muslim society is. So our phones are available 24/7. You know what? Let's work it out, work hard, and basically move up together. And now I'm going to go towards my brother, Alson. High hopes. That's it, you know. Because I call spade a spade.
Yes, we do.
So you know what? We're gonna just have high hopes, and I pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for all of you that Allah Subhanahu wa Taala give you energy, power, and wisdom to deliver to utmost level, and you can fulfill your all promises.
Amen.
Now I have to go towards my Imam, my older brother, my mentor. You know what? I really get sentimental when I try to introduce him. I get goosebumps to just recall it when I first time saw PBA magazine. When I became a cop, I did not know how many Muslims this job. And I just went to the page 3 and I see the second vice president, Mubarak Abdul Jabbar. Allahu Akbar. The person who has a nice prayer mark on his forehead. It was amazing. That tells you about the person's personality. That tells you how you have to live your life as a Muslim. That tells you lead as an example. I have an honor and privilege to introduce Brother Mubarak Abdul Jabbar.
I have a story about that Abdul Jabbar. When I came to my command, they thought that I was related to Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And as some of you might know or don't know, his father was a lieutenant in transit at the time. And so they thought I was related. So they gave me preferable, what they call post at that time, thinking I was related. So they kept asking me, how's the Lou? How's the Lou? How's the Lou? I didn't know he was jogging at that time, so I didn't know Lou. So I said, I guess. I didn't know Lou. At that time, I was new. I'm first generation police officer, so I didn't know all these things. And so finally, a guy asked me, he said, well, how's the Lieutenant Al-Sindh doing? I said, I don't know Lieutenant Al-Sindh. He said, you're not related to them? I said, no, I'm not related to them. He said, all right, take this post. But now to see so many of you come here, and so many Muslims on the job is really refreshing. Just to go back to those revisionist history, when this organization started, you had Ahmed Nasser, who was the first president, and we had such a low turnout, for a myriad of reasons. There wasn't as many Muslims on the job, but also there was some fear associated with being associated as a Muslim on the job.
आज के इस तकरीब में दीगर मुकर्रीन का कहना था कि मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी के मेंबरान फ़र्ज़ शनास ऑफिसर्स भी हैं जो हर ज़बान, हर तहज़ीब और हर रंग के अफराद के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ और मदद के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं.
My name is Sergeant Siddiqui. Currently I'm working with the Mayor's security team. I just got the position December 25. Thank you. This is our Muslim. We had 3 Muslim officers on his security team. I think that speaks for itself. It's an achievement. We didn't go there because, it's the phone calls, it's a hard work. So those of you who are coming on the job, have 4 or 5, work hard. People will recognize you and you will go far on this job.
Nothing to say, brother. I think we covered everything. It's a pleasure to see all my brothers and sisters. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah, we started with 800 people and now we're more than 2,000 members. And one thing, guys, no matter you were part of BAPA, PALS.
It's good to see all you guys here. I'm here especially for the good inspector. He's been a big supporter of us. And we just want to let you know from the Day Society that we support you. Right? I can't follow up to what this good gentleman said. We all wear a patch, and it doesn't matter where you're from. I myself am not Muslim, but if you need anything from me, I'll give you the shirt off my back. And that's how we should be. We're all cops, we should all take care of each other.
My name is Syed Hassan. I'm the first vice president. If there is any Indian Muslim who wants to join, please join us. We just got recognized by the department. All right, thank you. Thank you.
कम्युनिटी के आपसी रवाबित को दवाम बख्शने के लिए इस तरह की तकरीब का इनेकाद बेहद ज़रूरी है. सदर मुस्लिम ऑफिसर सोसाइटी, डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर अदील राना और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कैप्टन वहीद अख्तर ने तकरीब के आखिर में शुरका का शुक्रिया अदा किया.